Hey everyone, if you're working on something with a lot of text, like a long article or a book, you want the text to flow smoothly from one frame to the next. Otherwise, every time you edit something, it becomes a headache. So let me show you how linked text frame work in Affinity. First, grab the Frame Text tool and draw your first text frame. After that, you'll see a little white triangle with a blue outline on the right side near the bottom. Click that, then draw your second text frame. You'll notice a blue line connecting them. Now if I paste text into the first frame, it automatically continues into the second one. Super handy. Here's another example to link text frames. Each text frame has a set width and height. Though you still can transform later, but your text should follow the size of the frame. If your text goes beyond the frame, it gets hidden. And you'll see a little red outline triangle indicating there's overflow text. To fix that, just click the little triangle and create another frame. The hidden text will flow right into it. And that's it. Hope it helps. And thanks for watching.